Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're just at St Nicholas Beach. And we're just a lovely, lovely beach bar. I think it's even called St Nicholas Beach Bar. So, as you can see, absolutely stunning. If you've seen our channel before, you've seen this before. So, give you a little update for 2025. Get all your water sports from here. It's absolutely lovely. And if you want, you can go up these little stairs over here. You can have your dinners up there. It's lovely, isn't it? So yeah, normally we sit here, chill out, watch the world go by, go for a little paddle. As you can see right there in the distance, there's people walking out on a jetty. Don't know if they're just jumping in. Looks like they're just jumping in. Let's go and see how much a nice glass Prosecco is. €9 for a smoothie. Wines. They've got their own cocktail, rum vodka. It's called St Nicholas Beach rum vodka, gin, tequila, triple sec, passion fruit, fresh lemon, blue, and Red Bull. Nice. That's the most expensive. How much is this a glass of Prosecco? How much is a glass of Prosecco?
Prosecco. One?
How much?
Just for a glass.
Five.
€5, yeah. Can we have two, please? That's not too bad price. €5? No ice, no ice. Thank you. It's cold, yeah? Thank you. Quickly show you around quickly. So you've got a lovely seat in there. Take some nice food. Self-service food. Let's have a look at the menu. So from 11 to 15. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, please. As you can see, you get a big glass around here. Cheers. Oh, look at that. Could easily go through a few bottles sat here.
Where are you from?
UK.
Okay, yeah.
UK.
Thank you very much. So guys, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Like and share this video so others get to see it. We're gonna chill out right here in the sunshine. Oh, can't see a thing.
Church up there as well.
Yeah, St Nicholas Church is up there. But yeah, we're gonna chill out for a little while, have a little drink, and we'll show you the rest of this place in a minute. So we'll take a little beach. Well, I'm not going to go on the beach, we're just gonna have a little look around, see what the next bar's got to offer. Thank you, guys. Just gonna have a little look.
Ja, die hebben smaak naar sterk stuur, dus niet van die dure.
Not one person on this one. Summer is coming. So it's 20 euro here. Hello guys.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Everyone chilling in the shade. It's really hot at the moment. We're gonna go up here. Check the prices out. St. Nicholas Bay. Fresh country fries, eh? He got himself a bottle. Hello.
Hallo.
So beers around £5. Cocktails 15, 16. We got smoothies. How much is a glass of cava? Oh, sorry, Prosecco. How much is a glass of Prosecco?
Les wat?
Prosecco.
Ja.
How much? Sorry.
5.
€5, yeah? Show you the views. Hey guys. So you can be up there eating the food, come down swimming. So first row 35 a day, second and third row 20. Free beach towels, exclusive menu as well. So I'll just take the back row. I'll just put a towel on the floor to be fair. I'll go get myself a drink. 60, €5 here. Slightly smaller glass. So if you've seen anything here, St. Nicholas Beach Club, you get a massive glass. It's going to sit on the corner. Quality slightly better though. Quality of Prosecco is better. I'm honest, this one tastes better to me. But then what? Quantity. The other one wasn't bad. Cheers, guys. I didn't catch the name of this one actually. Kukis. All day beach bar, Kukis, eh? Bit like Kirkus, eh? Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy my drink. Can leave you with that beautiful view. If I can get it turned around, eh? So yeah. Again, if you could all subscribe, it'd be brilliant. 90% of you guys are not subscribed to our channel. but you watch a lot of our videos. So if you could all subscribe, like and share, ring the notification button so you can see when we upload brand new videos, which is really frequent at the moment, and it will be frequent up until September. Sorry, maybe mid-August, and we have a bit of time off. But yeah, until the next one, guys. Enjoy that view. I'm gonna enjoy this Prosecco.